Do you guys deliver CO2 tanks? The answer is yes, we do deliver CO2 tanks, but there's some information that you need to know that is inclusive with that question. So this generally falls into two categories. You have your residence and your business. We'll talk about the business first. The business deliveries are going to be larger steel CO2 tanks, almost any steel CO2 tank that you have on a truck freight. Truck freight must be delivered to a business. CO2 in the tanks always must be delivered to a business. The truck must have access to that business. Now for residents and for residential deliveries, if it's aluminum tanks like 20 pound, 10 pound, 5 pound, almost any aluminum tank that's empty can be delivered to a residence. If the aluminum tank is full on purchase or on rental, that will be shipped truck freight, hazard material, and that will go to a business. I hope this kind of includes all this information so that you can make the right decision on where you need to have your CO2 tanks at and delivered. And of course, let us know what delivery you have, how many tanks, what you're using them for, and more importantly, what type of tanks. CO2, if it is CO2 siphon or not, and of course, any other gas. This is CryoFX. Thanks for watching.